how to log into ANZ Bank Online Banking. For that, you need to simply open the browser of your choice. And once you open it, you need to type ANZ Bank. Once you type in the web address bar, simply tap on the search icon. And this is the official site of the ANZ Bank. On the first link, simply tap on ANZ, and after that you will get access on this page where you need to simply tap on login button at the top of the screen. Now you are taken to the sign in page of ANZ Internet Banking. Simply you need to enter the customer registration number and the password. So once you fill in the credential, you simply need to tap on login. But if you forgot the login details, you need to simply tap on the forgot login details link and you can reset from there. So once you log in, you can go ahead with your banking process. But if you haven't yet enrolled in online banking, then you need to first sign up for it. Then only you will be able to log in. So this is it for today. I hope this video was helpful for you. If this was, then hit the like button, subscribe and press the notification bell of our channel so that you won't miss any updates. Thank you for watching.